Spread your thread updates. Learn how to send your profile link on WhatsApp in seconds. But make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to share thread profile link on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the Threads app icon to open the app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This takes you directly to your Threads profile. In your profile screen, look for the Share Profile option beside the Edit Profile. Tap on the Share Profile. This is the menu where you can access various features. From the option that appears, tap on the Share and choose the WhatsApp icon. Here, choose the chat, group or contact you want to share your profile link and tap on the arrow button. Finally, tap on the Send button. Now everyone can click the link and visit your thread profile. So this is how to share thread profile link on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.